Good morning, everyone. Today I was doing some trimming on branches on a few trees in my parents' garden and realized that our oriental weeping apple tree is full of aphids, and I mean full. And of course full of ants, which have made a home at the bottom of this tree. Aphids provide ants with sugar-rich honeydew as a source of food. To make sure I will eliminate the problem concerning ants, I will also sprinkle solid bait in the form of tiny sugar-like granulates that are embedded with the active ingredient. Granulates are highly effective since ants can easily pick them up and carry them back to the nest the same way they transport food. The next thing I have decided to try is a sticky tape for crawling non-flying insects. I feel it is safe protection for trees without damaging fruit, leaves or roots. The tape is supposed to create an ant barrier due to its stickiness and makes it challenging for the ants to crawl across, and it should discourage the others from following. The box comes with 3 meters of single-sided, sticky clear colored plastic foil and 12 pieces of 1 centimeter wide tape to provide additional security. I'm roughly pre-measuring the size of the tape I will be needing, plus adding few centimeters for overlapping. And now I can cut the tape to the size. I will be placing the tape approximately 40 to 50 centimeters high from the ground, as the tree is fairly small. When wrapping the tape around the trunk of the tree, be sure that sticky side faces outwards. And to secure the tape onto the trunk, I will bring the ends of the tape together and press them firmly, creating a snug fit around the trunk. And now I'm using this strip of tape to additionally secure it. One of the important things you need to think about is to make sure that the branches of your trees do not touch the ground or any fences or any object like staking sticks that could provide a bridge for ants to reach the trunk. Over time, the dirt and debris may accumulate on the tape, reducing its stickiness. So you can simply cut more of the tape and add a new layer on the top of the current tape. And let's not forget to add also tape to staking sticks. Now let's take care of the aphids. I mixed warm water with 1 teaspoon of liquid soap and 2 tablespoons of pure neem oil in a cup. After stirring it well, I poured the mixture into a spray bottle filled with water. Then I sprayed all the branches and leaves thoroughly, focusing especially on the ends where the most of the aphids are. After only 2 days, there is a big improvement. 0 ant activity and nearly all aphids have been eliminated. I'm spraying it again today just to make sure I will get all of them. On the whole, I would say protecting your trees from ants and aphids is crucial for ensuring the health and productivity of your plants. Using ant and crawling insect tape, you can effectively prevent ants from climbing up the trunk and damaging your trees. It is a cost-effective solution. It is easy to implement and requires minimal maintenance, so I would recommend it. I hope you found this demonstrative video helpful. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy gardening!